Fear is one of the most powerful forces in human life. It can protect you, but it can also prison you. Most people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they keep running. Running from problems, running from fear, running from themselves. This story is not about being fearless. It is about learning how to face fear, step by step, without letting it control your life. There was once a young man named Arjun. From the outside, his life looked normal. He had a job, friends, and a routine. But inside, Arjun lived with constant fear. Fear of speaking up, fear of failing, fear of disappointing others, fear of making the wrong decision. Whenever a problem appeared, Arjun avoided it. If a conversation felt uncomfortable, he stayed silent. If a challenge looked risky, he chose the safe path. If life demanded courage, he delayed, told himself, "I will deal with it later," but later never came. Over time, his problems did not disappear. They grew stronger and heavier. One day Arjun was offered an opportunity at work, a chance to lead a small team and grow. But it also meant exposure and responsibility. His heart raced and his mind filled with excuses.
Please.
What if I mess up and fail publicly?
Ice.
Instead of facing the fear, Arjun said no. That night, he felt something worse than fear. Regret. Fear had not protected him. It had stolen from him. Fear works in a strange way. The more you run from it, the bigger it becomes. The more you avoid problems, the louder they scream. Arjun began to notice a pattern in his life. Every time he ran, fear grew stronger. Every time he avoided, confidence shrank. One evening, Arjun met his old teacher at a cafe. They talked about life, struggles, and choices. Arjun finally confessed that he was scared all the time. The teacher listened calmly and spoke gently. Fear does not go away when you run. It fades when you walk toward it. Arjun decided to start small. Very small. He stopped fighting fear and stopped hiding. He observed it and asked what he was truly afraid of: failure, embarrassment, or rejection. By naming fear, it lost some power. He asked what the worst realistic outcome was. He realized fear exaggerates reality. One day, Arjun shared an idea in a meeting. His heart pounded and fear screamed at him. But he spoke anyway. Nothing terrible happened. That moment changed something inside him. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is action despite fear. Arjun faced fear again and again, small steps and small wins. He made mistakes and felt discomfort. But fear no longer controlled him. Problems do not destroy us. Avoiding them does. Every fear hides growth. When you stop running, fear has no place to hide. Look at your own life now. What are you running from? Running feels easy, but it has a cost. Facing fear hurts once. Avoiding fear hurts every day. Arjun chose to stop running. Fear ends when action begins. Take the first step today.